everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. Currently we are at the elephant sanctuary here in Phuket, and we are going to enjoy this amazing experience. So come with me and let's check it out.
Oh, I don't know if you guys were hearing, but these elephants, when they ride humans, you know, they have spine problems. So they forbid that here. This is a sanctuary. You know, when they carry humans, they need to eat a lot, and working so many hours a day carrying humans, they wouldn't get the time to eat, and therefore they would die at 45 years old, when their normal lifespan is between 80 and 90 years old, according to him.
They have 23 elephants here, and the reason why they give them mud baths is because they have a lot of pores in their skin. Actually helps them out.
Okay, we gotta feed elephant first, and we come back to change your clothes later. Okay, but today I think is my friend like this for the whole days. Okay, I recommend if anyone would love to get changed. Okay, yes, that you can do now. And for Manny,
baby elephant, Manny the baby elephant.
Okay, this is elephant trunk. Okay,
yeah.
You will see when you hand the food. Okay, please do not make your hand flat like this. Every single day you hand the food to the elephant like this. Incorrect. Okay, you gotta hand the insides of banana. Okay, yes, and hand to their trunk. You will see this is elephant trunk. On their tip trunk they got a finger, and they got a nose here, where they smell the food from their nose here. Okay, yes, hand banana like this. And so soft. Walk to the elephant. Okay, first you gotta remember, respect elephant. Okay, do not tease them. Do not play with the food. Okay, they love to eat. Okay, they grab banana and eat by themselves. Ah, yummy, yummy. And 1,000 pounds. Because she's naughty. Look at her belly, she not listen to anyone. She's just eat. Okay. You can stroke them over the If you would like to make a good picture, lean yourself to the elephant and stroke them. After you feed them, some of them you guys can give them a hug, okay?
I think Manny likes it too much.
If you would like to kiss them, you can do too. No. Maybe not this elephant again. If you would like to take a selfie, we not allow you to say selfie here. You gotta say elfie. Elephant and selfie. Okay, big hand for Manny.
Yeah.
Elephant. Welcome to elephant food. What kind of food is that? Okay, so this is we call supplementary food, and we are going to make for the elephant. And this is just an example. We do it for elephant at least 3 times a day, like morning, lunch, and dinner, 3 times a day. And this is it's just about 5% of their main food. We give them. Yes, they eat everything. Here, we're gonna mix together and give them like a snowball.
Meatball.
Yeah, meatball. And but this.
You wanna feed watermelon first or banana? Oh, yeah, that one keep him later. That big banana. Where's your friend?
There you go. So this one more than likely worked in a circus because it's swaying away in circles.
It's like dancing.
Yeah.
From the circus?
Yeah.
This one's the rescue from circus?
Yes,
Yeah.
been rescued 5 years ago.
Oh, you poor baby. How old do the elephants?
You can come to the side so they can see it from there. Okay? So, they are female, yes. You don't have the girl here.
Love the color. So we're gonna make a kind of like a rice ball. It has some medicine. It has basically some different vegetables in there. Make the rice ball, feed it to the elephant. Let's try
Can
it.
you cash?
Yes, I can. Thank you.
Which one do I get?
Yummy.
No, I have no
You
more.
want more?
So
I think I need more.
sometimes if you had a design, you put the leaf on the flower, you can do. Okay. Anyway, not broken.
I think I need more. Yeah.
Yes. Wow, beautiful. And then take it up. And up, and tear off. Okay. Like this, we are waiting about few minutes. After that, we put it outside, we dry with the sun. And then we had the paper, like this. And then we made envelope. If you want need like
Cool.
the flash, like this, we had a machine, they had to crush again.
Oh, press.
Yes. Okay.
Now we are going to the mud shower with the elephants. Important to know, you need to bring clothes that you're not going to care about getting all muddy. So that's important. And maybe some water shoes too, but we're leaving tonight to Bali, so I don't want to take wet, muddy water shoes.
Without a gun.
Time to splash them. Well, I guess it wasn't just the elephants that had a mud bath today.
Oh my god. Okay, you both be this way.
Woo! They're killing me! They're killing me! Right now, we're going to scrub a dub the elephants in this pool right here.
Oh yeah, you can't see nothing. Oh no! There's so much food! That means I'm barefoot, so I'm gonna feel it.
Oh yeah, the full experience right here.
Yeah, there is mud all over the place.
Start scrubbing.
Scrub a dub dub. Scrub a dub dub.
Making sure he's nice and shiny for his next show.
Look this way.
Rub a dub dub.
Gotta take all this mud out.
Check her out. Okay, elephant car wash, as they call it. All right, so after that amazing experience with the elephants, they gave us some lunch. We have the buffet style there. I gotta tell you, this was an amazing experience. I absolutely loved it. I recommend it 100%. So if you want to check this place out, I'm gonna leave all information in the description below. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Take care, guys.